saying happy 4th of July. We're going to a car show at Kinser Park in Greenville, Tennessee right now. And if stay tuned to see at the end of this video what I did to the 67 yesterday, because I didn't get to make a video. So that being said, when I get out here, I'll show you a few cars and such, and back in a few minutes. I got my hands full on a back road in a 70 Chevelle with manual steering. So, see you in a few. Alright everybody, so I got up here today and did a pretty good tack weld on the A-pillars and the rockers, so I could check and see how the door gaps and stuff were going to be. Now this car didn't have perfect gaps to begin with because the quarters aren't where they're supposed to be because of all this. So this car is never going to be perfect. But I got it to line up like that on both sides. And I got it to line up like that on both sides. the cowl is setting against the frame. I can shut the doors. You know, I don't have any hinges. I mean, any latches or nothing, but they line up pretty good. Passenger side lines up perfect. This driver's side's a little bit off, but who's to really say that that's not off because of the recorder or this? And you know, tolerances and stuff line up sometimes, stack up. You know, this door that was on this cowl was pulled over hard. It was pulled over hard like this, so it could have bent the plate that the door bolts up to. But it seems to be pretty good. Got it pulled out. I mean, it looks pretty good. Gap straight and stuff. So I'll slowly start welding all the cuts completely. I want to make sure that the bust windshield that I had for this car fits back in here, so it won't be a bad surprise when I find out that it doesn't later, you know. So I want to thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. If you have any questions, ask. And I'll see you next time. God bless, and happy 4th of July.